What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. How's everybody doing, man? Hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you're all doing well. Got another reaction for you. Another Patreon request, actually. This one's been requested by a few people. The first person to request it was Mickey. Mickey wants to hear Pentatonix's Latch. I have no clue what the original is. Sam Smith, Disclosure, Naughty Boy mashup. Oh, it's a mashup. Even better. Okay. Let's check it out, man. It's an older one. They released it in 2014. It's got over 53 million views. It's usually a pretty good sign. So, yeah, let's check it out, man. If you guys are new here, hit that subscribe button for me. Throw a like on the video. I appreciate it. And, yeah, Mickey, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for being a patron. Thank you for being a Sauceytron. Absolutely, absolutely means the world to me. Let's check it out, guys. Whoa, apparently I have a hole in my lip. Okay, yep, anyways.
Lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around.
It's fun. I think when Scott found something he liked back then, apparel-wise, he just wore it and wore it and wore it. Because I'm almost positive that's the same jacket he wore in the Imagine Dragons video. That is impressive, because that was one of the first ones I reacted to of Pentatonix, like 5 months ago, something like that. I don't know, it was a while, but I'm pretty sure that was the same jacket.
If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found.
Okay, Kirsten and Scott to start this one off are impeccable.
I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. Don't speak when you spit your venom. Keep it shut. I hate it when you hiss and preach by your new messiah, 'cause your theories catch fire. I can't find your silver lining. I don't mean to judge, but when you read your speech, it's tiring. Enough is enough. Covering my ears like a kid. When your words mean nothing, I go la la la. I'm turning up the volume when you speak. If my heart can't stop it, I find a way to block it. I go la 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 la
Oh my god, wow, there's a whole lot going on and they are killing all of it. That has to be so hard to record, or to get down rather, because I'm sure they performed this live at some point, probably several times. But with all the la la la, like when to put the inflection, when to, like, that has to be so hard to get down. Kirsten just killed that. God. Good Lord, Mitch. Like, you guys give me flack for having favorites. How? How, man? Yes, they're all amazing. I've been saying that. But do you hear what I'm hearing? My God. Like, I don't even like this kind of music, and this man has me so bought in right now. So bought in right now. You say whatever you want to say. My guy's a rock star. I don't care. I don't care. Oh my God. And I don't know how Kevin comes up with the stuff that he comes up with, but it's so insane to me. I'm never gonna get used to it. It's the smallest things that, listening to the song, unless you're paying attention like I am, you don't even hear it. I would absolutely not even catch on to the fact that he's doing what he's doing if I wasn't looking for it. But without it, it wouldn't sound anywhere near as good. Just that little, whatever he's doing there, little, whatever that sound is. Oh my God, it just completes, it's so perfect. It's so perfect. The whole thing. I won't let go of you. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you. Let go, I wanna let go. I feel we're closing. I can find your silver lining. I don't mean to judge. Yeah, it's amazing she didn't have a kid until now. It's... Don't mind me. Covering my ears like a kid. Wow. Oh my gosh, man. Jeez. That was so good. Like, you guys can't possibly understand how amazing that is to me, that I love stuff like that. Because no offense, but I hate stuff like that. Like, that is the music that I don't listen to, specifically. I just can't stand it, typically. I would listen to that over and over again. I just don't understand. They don't remix songs. They reinvigorate songs. They reinvent songs. They just, like, I don't know. They add a layer of listenability that hardly any of these originals have from them, from the original artists. I don't know, man. They just make these songs better. Radioactive. That's funny. That's the video right there. I mean, it's getting hard to argue, you know? It's getting hard to argue with this whole universe thing that I keep trying to tell you guys about. But yeah, that's the one. Radioactive with Lindsey Sterling. I don't know if it's the same jacket, though. I can't really tell from the thumbnail. Anywho, that was awesome. Mickey, thank you so much for the request. Really appreciate it. That was awesome. I just love getting, it's almost like a sense of being proven wrong. And I'm not like most people in that sense. I like to be proven wrong. Show me I'm wrong. But show me why. Give me a reason. You have to prove it. They just proved it. Like, that music is good in the right, with the right arrangement, with the right flair on it. They just killed that, man. Kirsten with the la 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 blah la la. I mean, good lord. Kevin, Avi, the bass, the whole thing was just so perfect. It's always so perfect. I don't understand. I just don't understand. And to be honest with you, I've always thought they were incredible, but since we watched that recording of Evergreen, it's like I have less of a clue on how they pull this stuff off. Now that I've seen them behind the scenes, it makes even less sense to me. Like, there's no way they have ears like that and just know exactly what things are missing in the moment, you know? Listening to the same thing over and over and over and over and over again, and just improving and improving and improving. And it's not for everybody, man. They are gifted. They are very special. And I've said it a million times, but we're just so lucky that they found each other. And the universe had a pretty good arrangement when it came to Pentatonix. And a bunch of the other people we listen to on this channel. But, whew, man, that was awesome. Thank you, Mickey. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a great rest of the day, everybody. Have a great weekend. Have a great Mother's Day. Or maybe, I hope you had a great Mother's Day. I'm not sure when this video will come out. But anyways, I love you guys, man. Take care of yourselves and each other. Stay safe out there. Make sure you subscribe. Peace out, Saucey fam.